Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like a couple of months worth of time. It's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart's going to look a little bit different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So the big dynamic that's occurring right now as of the recording is that the price has actually dropped down to the lower part of this channel right here at the green line of 9,300. And I've talked about that many times in previous videos. Mainly, let me just set up a little context here. The price is still currently within the sideways channel. Top of the channel up here, that red line 10,000. And then as I've already talked about, the bottom of the channel down here at 9,300. And really since the last update I did on that video, you can see the price actually did break down below the channel. But to give credit where credit's due, the price actually, after getting right down there, snapped quickly back upwards and is back within the channel. But like I said, the point here being is really going to be, is there some sort of bigger bearishness where this is the start of a bigger move to the downside? Which brings about the first question that you need to ask yourself. So let's just use that 15-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 15 hours from now. The big question that you need to be asking is, where is the price at relative to 9,300? Is the price still up above it? If so, if you're answering the question that the price, yeah, Clay, the price is still above it, well, that's a good sign. That at least means that this current, nasty candle right there hasn't, provided or, created any more sort of downwards pressure. However, if you are answering the question that the price is down below 9,300, at that point, it becomes a question of just kind of common sense and gut instincts, meaning, well, how far down below? And the further the price is down below that 9,300 mark, that just represents the more bearishness that the chart has actually had. So again, slightly below it. I mean, don't get me wrong, that's not a good thing, but that's much different than having the price be, completely down below it. So definitely, keep an eye on that. And like I said, just use your gut instincts and common sense, and that'll make, answering that question easier. And then as far as if you're saying, well, Clay, yeah, the price is up above 9,300, at that point, just take a quick inventory check. Okay, well, where's the price at relative to 10,000? If somehow you're answering the question that the price is up above 10,000, that would just imply a huge surge of bullishness that would have all of a sudden taken the price all the way up there. So from that point side of things, that would definitely be a very bearish, situation. But if you're saying, well, Clay, the price is still down below 10,000, but it is still up above 9,300. At that point, one word can summarize that, and that would just be consolidation. The price is just continue to consolidate. So keep your eye on those levels, walk yourself through those questions, and that'll keep this video relevant for as long as possible. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.